Kawaii Des here, back at it again with another video. Today, I didn't know what to do, so we are outside in the snow after the storm, just looking around and seeing if anything happened. The one thing I know is a tree branch fell on my friend's house or something, so I'm gonna go right now and see if they're okay. It's cold, but it's nice. Because I didn't have an idea for a vlog or a, sorry, my jacket is covering, or a video. So I was like, you know what, let's go outside. It's, there's something out here. But all that I know, the street that my friend lives on, their street lost power. And I didn't know if they were okay or not, so now I'm gonna go see them if they're okay and stuff. The snow is so fun though. Look at all the snow though. Pretty cool, huh? But I was gonna ride my skateboard today maybe, but I realized I could actually get hurt and stuff. So, see if he's okay and stuff. You know, normal things. But I think this will be the vlog for today. Not really sure. Oh, here we go. We got some tree branches and stuff. We got, hold on, let me get to there. Tree branch right here and all that trees. Things right there. All this from that tree. This was a pretty bad storm type thing. Well, it's not a storm. But let's see if I can actually cross to his house. Because I'm right on his street. It's just, it's taped off and I can't see if they're okay. But yeah, because all the power lines fell and stuff. I know one thing that I might not be able to see if they're okay, because all that I hear is generators. See, they crossed it off, and I don't know if I can pass. So, and my other neighbor over here, I don't think I can go. This is pretty bad, actually. Because I don't know. See, I don't know where to go because I don't want to get hurt either. It's just, this sucks really bad. I can't go over there. So you see that big tree over there? I don't think I could see if it works. But I don't know if you guys can hear it, but you hear all those generators. And I don't know. So I don't know what to do. I'll probably see if he's okay later, because right now I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know if I should go ask him or something if he's okay and stuff, because it landed on where his room is. So yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna walk around. I'll call him later, definitely, see if he's okay. But I don't think I'm allowed to go into his house, near the house, since they have it crossed off. See if you can see it behind me. The yellow lines. So I will see if I can see anything else, and I'll be right back. Well, I didn't get very far. I just went off the street. So I think I'm gonna go see at the park if anything else happened and stuff like that, maybe. So yeah. I don't know how long I'm gonna be doing this video for, because it's really cold, but cold doesn't affect me. So I'm gonna see if how much damage is at the park and stuff. So see y'all in a couple minutes. Kawaii. So guys, I am at the park right now. And it doesn't look bad. I mean, there's not a lot of trees over here, but, you know. So, this might be hard to get into. A lot of snow. And these boots weren't meant for this. It's like, oh, no, my foot. But yeah, so, let's just see if, oh, it's actually pretty not that bad. It's just snow over here, basically, because it's not trees everywhere. That people definitely will hear because there are footmarks everywhere, and that's okay. As you guys can see, there's a park, and there's a couple of limbs of tree marks like that over there. I don't know if you guys can see it because I can't. So I'm just gonna. Oh, jeez. Oh my god, my hair looks like a hot mess. We're just gonna look over here real fast. Okay, well, you can't see far. It doesn't look like many trees were gone or something. Just a little couple branches. Over here, this one fell. So, guys, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. Maybe. So, yeah. Thanks. There's a couple trees over there that fell. Snow is hard to walk in. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. Kawaii Dash. Well, that's all for now. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe and leave a comment. I'm gonna leave that vlog here for today. Love your Kawaii Squad. See you tomorrow. Peace.